Hey guys, welcome. And we're going to design a grid system in Excel with a data entry form. Of course, the form will look like this. Just a simple Excel form. So let me show you how the system works. Come here, click on new. Then let's say this is the student's name. First CA5, second CA5, third CA6, and then exams, let's say 30. So you just click on enter. So see the student names, the student details is being added, his first CA, second CA, third CA exams, and then the total average and this grid is generated automatically. So we're going to include the formulas on how to generate these ones automatically. So I'm ready. Let's just get started. So let's just minimize this, click on new, then Microsoft Excel worksheet, then you just name it grid, anything you want to name it, but just name it grid, then click on enter, and then open. After opening, I like leaving at least two rows. Then come here, everything should be in capital letter though, so click on your caps lock. Let's say full name, let's see, first CE, second CE, as these are the heading, so quickly the headers, .c, then exams, then total, average, and then grid. That's nice. So we're not styling anything. So before we continue, in the customized quick access toolbar, if yours has a form, it is good, but mostly it comes without a form. So what you will do is simply click here, then you go to more commands, click on more commands, then you go to all commands not in ribbon. I think I'll go to all commands, and then okay, in all commands, sorry, yeah, okay, I think I'll go to the purple, okay, no, I think we should just, okay, let's click on here, just command not in ribbons, then you look up for form. Okay, so you just click on it, then you add. Mine is here already. So all this all the things that appear here, it means they are in your quick access toolbar. So you're adding it to your access toolbar. So you just click on add, then okay. I have it already, so there will be no need. So I'll just come here, then click on the names, Richmond B. So let's see, first CA 5, second CA 5, 60, no, sorry, 6, then 60. So in this information, I assume the first C is over 10, second C over 10, third C over 10, and then exams over 70. So the total, average, and grade, I'm going to generate them automatically. So now for formulas in Excel, before you type any formula, the first thing you of course, is a prerequisite, is to click enter, then open bracket, then of course you click on here, this, shift plus, then this plus this, and then you close the bracket. Okay, plus the exams, I forgot the exams, plus the exams, and then you close the bracket, click on enter. So 76. Then for the average, equal to, then open bracket, so this, shift plus this, shift plus this, right, plus this, and then you divide by 1 2 3 4, divide by 4, then you close the bracket, click on enter. So now for the grade, it's more complicated. We are going to be using the nested if statement. So for grade, let me explain. for this program, I think the grade is I'm going to be using is A, B, C. So these are the following conditions. For the first condition, if our total, right, is less than, sorry, is greater than, or let's say greater than or equal to 80, right, then our output or should be A. That's for A. So the other condition is if the total is greater than or equal to 70, the output should be B. And then for the third condition, if the total is greater than or equal to 60, then it should be C. So of course, we have so many ways of reading, like you have A for distinction, B plus, B minus, C. So well, regardless, irrespective of how the grading is, you can just set it as the condition. So I'm going to just give you 3 conditions, that's 3 if statement, so for this program. So but for your own program, of course, you see how I'm going to do it, then you can go ahead and do it the way you want it to be. So here you come, equal to first, then if, then you open bracket, then of course now the condition, logic test. So you say if, then you click on total. Now we are referencing this field. This is the only field we are going to reference, like in the nested if here. It's greater than or equal to 80, then this should be our output. Okay, here is supposed to be comma, then this should be our I think, yes, that this should be our output. Our output should be A. Then you write comma, right? Of course, now let's close the bracket first, then you close the bracket. So you come here again, comma, then if let's see, condition, another condition, total here, right, is greater than or equal to 70, and then our output should be, okay, no, I think, okay, sorry, our output should be B. Close the bracket, last condition, another comma, then if statement, open the bracket and say if the total is greater than or equal to 60. This condition should be our output. Output should be then C, right? Or else the output should be D. The output should be, so if it's less than 60, it should just be D. Then we're going to close this bracket and click on enter. Okay, in this case it's B. So what I want you to do is either you come here, you format as table, but the shortcut is just for you to click on Ctrl T. So where is the data for your table? My table has headers. Yes, of course, just click on OK. And so here, I guess by now your form, definitely your form should be ready. Then you click on your form, then here you click on, so I'm going to input 3 informations. So first, let's say fish born, fish born. So you can just use the tab key, say here 9 and then 9, then 70, then you click on enter, and then the last one. Okay, we have A, B, C, D, right? So let's search for the C. Let's see if it's lion B 9. Let's say 6 8 6, and then let's see 40. This is the, I want it to be more than 60, at least more than 60. So let's say 40, and then enter. Okay, C, so A, B, C. Okay, I think it's just 3 conditions. Then let's go for D and see how the D will apply. 5, 6, then 4, then let's say 20, then you click on enter D. So you see all the conditions are met. So of course you can find preview, find next continuously. So just click, let's see. So now you can sort exams, total, average and grade. Even the name, you can sort it from ABC, so as you want. But in this case, because there may be possibility where we want to see who come first in the subject, or first, overall first, and so on. So here I think we'll grade it based on the total or average. But I'll grade it based on I will do the sorting based on average. So I will sort from the largest to the smallest. So of course A, B, C, D. So as you can see, 97 is the highest, 76, 60, and as the case may be. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels for more of this. Thank you.